Binance versus Coinbase. Binance US and Coinbase are two of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges around. So, which should you choose? The answer depends on what exactly you need, what crypto coins you want to trade, how much you're willing to pay for commissions, and other key factors. Coinbase and Binance US are both major players among established cryptocurrency exchanges. In this video, we'll refer to Binance US, the American arm of the larger Binance organization, as Binance, and will compare it to Coinbase Advanced Trade, which offers much lower cost than the basic Coinbase service, though we refer to it as Coinbase. In June 2023, the Securities and Exchange Commission sued Binance and Coinbase, alleging they illegally operated as exchanges, broker-dealers, and clearing agencies, as well as offered and sold unregistered securities. Binance was also accused of misusing customer funds, and the SEC warned investors of using its platform. Binance said its customers' assets are safe, and Coinbase said it will continue to operate its business as usual. Here is how Binance and Coinbase compare on some of the most important factors to traders. Cost. The most significant costs you're likely to pay are your trading fees, and if you're doing a lot of it, those can certainly add up. Fortunately, it's the norm for most exchanges to offer discounts based on your 30-day trading volume. However, Binance even goes one better than that. Both Coinbase and Binance use a market taker pricing structure, charging based on whether you add liquidity to the market markers or remove liquidity from the market takers. So trading fees generally differ, not only on your volume but also the type of trade you make. However, Binance allows you to dodge the commissions on Bitcoin and Ethereum trades entirely. Here's how you can exchange breaks down. Here's how each exchange breaks down on its fees. Binance commission depends on which coin you're trading, Bitcoin and Ethereum tier 0, and less popular coins tier 1. Binance versus Coinbase supported cryptocurrency. The straight number of look the straight numbers look to be in Coinbase favor in terms of how many total kinds of coins are offered by each exchange. At our last count, Coinbase gives traders access to 253 coins, while Binance offers access to 153, or about 60% as many as its rival. But other choices like a buffet, if you don't want to trade a specific coin, it doesn't matter if it's there or not. So how do these exchanges compare to the top 12 coins by market capitalization? A comparison there might tease out some differences. On that basis, Binance is likely better, offering all 12 of the top coins compared to Coinbase 10. Both offer Bitcoin, of course, and the difference is that Binance offers BNB, the coin powering Binance's own ecosystem, and XRP. Advantage: Coinbase gets the edge here. Binance versus Coinbase staking rewards. Over the last year, Binance has made real improvements on the number of coins available in its staking rewards program, really outdistance its rival Coinbase. Staking rewards provide crypto owners a chance to receive income for supporting the token as part of the verification process. Typically, an exchange simply deposits your income, net of any fees, into your account. Coinbase and Binance takes a commission on your rewards. Coinbase allows staking on 6 coins, including Ethereum, one of the largest coins, as well as Solana and Cardano. It also allows other rewards via DeFi, not available in the US, on a handful of other coins, as well as what it calls cloud staking on more than 15 coins. Cloud staking is somewhat different and more advanced process, however. Binance supports staking on 27 coins, including Ethereum. As for how large these staking rewards are, a spot check shows Binance offering consistently higher rewards on a handful of coins that they have in common. Advantage: Binance beats out Coinbase on the number of coins supported in the core staking rewards program and offers higher rewards on those that they have in common. Naturally, for those who hold coins supported on one platform but not the other, a specific exchange may end up being better for them. Binance vs Coinbase deposit and withdrawal fees. Neither Coinbase nor Binance charges deposit or withdrawal fees for ACH deposits in US dollars. On wire transfers, Binance does a bit better with no charge for wire deposits and a $15 withdrawal fee for domestic wires. For its part, Coinbase charges $10 for wire deposits into its account and $25 for wire withdrawals. Advantage: Binance offers a better fee structure here, both for ACH fees and even wire fees. However, if you plan to use wires frequently, Binance would be the clearly better fit. Binance vs Coinbase customer support. Customer support at crypto exchanges seems to be mostly an afterthought. Though it has improved over the last year, Coinbase has grown its efforts here recently, adding 24/7 phone and chat support, much needed features to prior options that included only email and a support ticket. Plus, if you see any suspicious activity, you can call customer support to lock your account, though it raises the question of why this feature is needed when traditional stockbrokers seem to have no such issues. Binance offers support tickets and recently added 24/7 online chat, which is perhaps part of the price you pay for its very low trading cost. Advantage: with a variety of support options, Coinbase looks like the clear winner here. On what's probably the most single important feature of an exchange: cost. Binance gets the win. Low trading costs played into Binance being named the best crypto exchange by Bankrate. However, on the finer details such as available coins, Coinbase wins outright or has a very small advantage over Binance. In a comparison to Coinbase to Binance, then, the true winner may be the exchange that fits your needs best, whether it's low trading fees, wider selection, or even better support. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time we post. Thank you and see you in our next video. Binance versus Coinbase. Binance versus